Okay, so diving into this email marketing tutorial for Sheetify CRM users, in this tutorial we want to take a look at how you can send email campaigns, bulk emails, using Sheetify CRM, however, adding links inside your email campaigns. And today I'm going to share 3 ways that you can do this. So let's take a look at this proposal email. If we double click here, now, if you're completely new to Sheetify CRM and the email marketing capabilities, then what I'll do is add a beginner's tutorial down below in the description, which will help you get started with email marketing inside Sheetify. So again, for this email marketing campaign, what we would do is insert our name in here. Then here you would insert your company name. And again, you can customize this email the way that you like. Now, let's say we wanted to add a link in here. Then all I would do is go ahead and delete this and then type in my URL. And you can simply add a URL like this. And that's going to add this link into your email campaign. So let's go ahead and test this out by navigating all the way down to contacts and leads, and then navigate up to this example email up here. And I'm going to tick this and then navigate up to Sheetify to send an email campaign. And I'm going to send this send proposal email campaign to just this contact. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that and then come down and click on yes. And as you can see, you sent a proposal email to this email here. Okay, so let's jump into the recipient's inbox and see what the link looks like. And as you can see, this is what your email template will look like inside your email recipients that you send that template to. And you can see the link over here, and this email recipient, this contact, can simply click on this link. Okay, so this is the first way to add a link. Now let's say that you wanted to hyperlink some text and you didn't want to add the URL directly inside your email campaign. Well, I'll show you how to do this. Head back to your Sheetify CRM, then inside the email campaign that you want to send, and then what I'm going to do is delete this and then add this code in here. And this piece of code here, I'll add up here for you to use and copy and paste inside your email campaigns. Okay, so with this code, what we're going to do, I'm going to add a full stop here, and then where it says add text, I'm going to add book now. So add the text that you want to hyperlink, and then where it says add link, all you want to do is add your link. So as you can see, I've added this website address, this website page, and over here you can see I've added the text. Now I'm going to quickly go ahead and send this email campaign, just like I showed you with the first example, and then show you what this email looks like inside the email recipient's inbox. And as you can see, this is the email campaign that your email recipients will receive. You can see we have book now, which is hyperlinked. And if your contact clicks here, that's going to take them to this web address. Now, what about if you want to send personalized links to your email recipients? Maybe you want to send a specific offer, or you want to send an invoice, or anything else that is personalized to your contacts. Then there's another way that you can do this rather than sending the same link to all your email recipients. Okay, so let's head back to Sheetify CRM. Okay, so here's the email campaign that I want to send. However, I want to send a custom link to each of my email recipients. So what I would do is simply navigate over to contacts and leads, then navigate across to media and files. And this is where you would add a specific URL. For example, if you wanted to send invoices to your email recipients, to your contacts, then maybe this could be a link to the Google Drive folder that has your customers' invoices. So you could add a unique link here. You could add another customer in here or contact and add another link here and all the way down here. So each of your contacts, let's say if you add multiple contacts down here and you have different links that you want to send to those contacts, then you just need to add the links in here. We've only got one link, for example. Then what we would do is navigate over to settings, and all we need to do here is simply take this code, copy this, and that's going to take the content from within media and files. Again, navigate over to email templates, double click on the email campaign that you want to customize. Then all you need to do is add that code snippet by pasting it in here. And similar to the first example, that's going to send the specific link. And remember, that's going to send the entire link. However, if you want to add text and hyperlink that text, then all you would do is use the code. For example, let's click here, then Command Enter twice. And this time I'm going to add the code snippet that I showed you in the second example. And here's that code that I copied from up here and pasted down here. Your version of Sheetify will have the code snippet up here that you can copy and paste down here. Then all we need to do is take this code snippet again. Remember, this is if we want to send a unique link to each of our email recipients. add this in here, media link, then add text. This could be find your invoice here, and that's all you need to do. Again, I'm going to show you an example of just adding media link versus adding this code snippet with media link in here, and then the text that you want to show. Okay, so I'm going to send this email campaign and show you what this looks like. And as you can see, this is an example of the third method for adding links inside your email campaigns. These are personalized links. As you can see, this is the personalized link by just simply adding media link. However, if we added the code snippet that I showed you, you can hyperlink text like this. However, that is everything I wanted to show you in this Sheetify email marketing tutorial for beginners, showing you 3 methods for adding links into your email campaigns.